Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Wondering how to make extra money without quitting your job? The truth is, you already have something valuable that could change your life: your skills. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn the skills you already have into a steady stream of income, step by step. Stick around, because at the end, I'll share the #1 mistake most people make when trying to monetize their skills, and how you can avoid it. Here's the good news. You don't need to be an expert, and you don't need thousands of followers. You just need to know how to package what you already know and connect with the right people who are willing to pay for it. First, let's figure out what skill you can monetize. Start by asking yourself these 3 questions. What do people often ask me for help with? What problems have I solved for myself or others? What tasks come easily to me that others struggle with? For example, maybe you're great at editing videos, teaching math, designing graphics, or even organizing spaces. These are high-value skills that people are actively paying for right now. Pro tip: head over to platforms like Fiverr or Upwork and search for your skill. If you see others offering it, that's a good sign. It means there's a market ready for you. Once you've identified your skill, the next step is packaging it so people understand its value. Think of this like creating a product out of your talent. For example, if you're a graphic designer, don't just say, "I design logos." Instead, say, "I help businesses create powerful brand identities that attract more customers." Your skill should solve a specific problem for a specific group of people. This makes it easier for potential clients to see why they need you. Now, where do you sell your skill? That depends on the type of work you want to do. Freelancing? Use Fiverr, Upwork, or LinkedIn. Teaching? Try Skillshare, Teachable, or even YouTube. Coaching or consulting? Use social media and Zoom to connect with clients directly. The key here is to start with one platform, master it, and then expand later. Spreading yourself too thin in the beginning is a recipe for burnout. The truth is, having skills isn't enough. You need people to know you exist. This is where marketing comes in. Here's a simple 3-part formula to market yourself effectively. Show your skill. Share short, valuable content online demonstrating what you can do. Share success stories. If you've helped someone before, show the results. Call to action. Always tell people where they can hire you or learn more. If you're a video editor, post before and after edits on TikTok or Instagram Reels. End the video with, "Want edits like this? DM me." Once you start making consistent money, don't stop there. Look for ways to scale your income. This could mean raising your prices, creating digital products like courses, or outsourcing small tasks so you can focus on higher paying work. This is how you turn a side hustle into a full-time income stream. But here's the mistake most people make. They try to do everything at once: every platform, every client, every idea. This leads to overwhelm and burnout. Focus on one skill, one platform, and one type of client first. Once you've mastered that, then you can expand. Remember, you don't need a fancy degree or massive following to turn your skills into income. You just need to start. The skills you have today could be the foundation for your financial freedom. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more ways to grow your income and financial freedom. And let me know in the comments, what skill are you going to monetize first?